Today I'm going to show you a fun and easy way to learn all of your major triads across all of your strings. We're going to be using the B major and the A major triads for today's example. We're going to start off here on the 11th and 12th fret with this shape, and then we're going to move that over. So this is that D major shape, right? So this is a B major triad, this is an A major triad, this is a B major triad again, part of a larger chord like that. And then we're going to move this over again for an A major triad, just like that. And then we're switching string sets. So now we're on the D, G, and B strings, and we're playing a B major triad over here. I'm going to move that down here for the A major triad, and then over here for a B major triad again, and then down here for an A major triad. And then over here, finally, we're on the E, A, and D strings, and that's a B major triad, and then that's an A major triad. Now, it would be helpful for you to have some sort of like backing track, or if you had a looper, you can kind of do that. Or if you have a buddy, just get your buddy to play B major and A major, just kind of going. So B major, A major, B major, A major, B major, A major, B major. That's it. So you can also use the B Mixolydian scale, or you could use this E major scale. It's the same notes. So I hope you have some fun with that, and if you have any questions or comments, drop them below and I'll get back to you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.